Today is all about you returning your power to yourself. So, power is when we are standing in the fact that we have created whatever is going on for us in our life. We're not standing in a victim mindset of this happened to me and that person did it to me and it's their fault and this. We're standing in the power of going, this is what's happening right now, and I'm a powerful creator, so I can transform it. What I'd love you to do today is look at where there are problems in your life and dot point these down in the problems list. On the right hand side, what I'd love you to do is write down your solutions. So this could be something like, I feel bloated. Okay, because that could be a very common problem for many women I know who complain about this all the time. And the solutions would be those things that are coming to the first point of your mind when you look at a solution. Don't question it. For me, it might be go and get some digestion oil and apply it to my belly, rotate clockwise 25 times, anti-clockwise 25 times, and go and do a 10-minute meditation. As simple as that, because I know that that's going to lower my cortisol and make me feel incredible. Now, there could be a more expansive and kind of in-depth problem going on where you're like, I really don't know what I can do about this, Talia, and it's like eating my brain alive and making me feel really, really bad. And all I'm saying today is stand back in your power, in knowing that you hold the power to transform whatever situation is currently going on for you. If you give this the time, attention, and love that it deserves, there will be some beautiful gifts that come out of the process of just sitting with this and going, well, what can I do about it? Rather than feeding the anger eating demon that's just like, I can't do anything about this. This is my problem. I can't transform it. It's just going to be my reality forever. Look, if you want to go down that path, you can. But what I know to be true for so many women is that when they stand back in their power and they go, all right, let's do something about this, and they start taking courageous steps forward, they start feeling a lot better about themselves, and the shifts that occur after that are really, really beautiful.